Every year, Americans consume billions of bags of their favorite snacks. But have you ever wondered how these crispy chips are made?
Today we're taking you inside Frito-Lay's incredible manufacturing world, where humble ingredients transform into America's most beloved snacks.
Frito-Lay operates over 30 massive manufacturing facilities across the United States and Canada, producing millions of bags every single day. Let's start with America's favorite, Lay's potato chips. The process begins with carefully selected potatoes arriving daily at manufacturing plants. These aren't just any potatoes. Quality control is paramount. Inspectors check size, starch content. Once approved, potatoes travel through vibrating conveyor belts. The gentle vibrations prevent breakage as they move to the cleaning stations. High-pressure water jets and abrasive rollers remove the skin efficiently. The potatoes are then washed thoroughly to remove dirt and starch. Razor-sharp blades cut potatoes into paper-thin slices at incredible speeds. The blade type determines whether you get regular chip or set. Potato slices plunge into massive vats of oil bubbling at exactly 375 degrees Fahrenheit. After frying, salt is sprinkled at a precise rate. For flavored varieties, chips pass through rotating drums filled with powdered seasonings.
Professional taste testers evaluate every batch against a gold standard for flavor, texture, and appearance. They even count the number of blisters per chip.
Now let's explore corn-based snacks like Doritos and Fritos. The process starts with whole-grain corn kernels delivered in massive quantities. Corn is cooked with lime and water in a traditional process called nixtamalization. This mixture soaks for about...
The cooked corn is fed into the rotating millstones, where it is ground into a consistent masa dough.
For Doritos, masa is flattened into thin sheets using massive rollers. The thickness must be perfect for that signature crunch. Angular die cutters create those iconic Dorito shapes. The precision is remarkable. Thousands of perfect triangles cut every minute.
The cut triangles move through an oven for about 16 seconds to partially cook them. But this isn't the final step.
Immediately after frying, while still hot, the chips travel through seasoning machines. For nacho cheese Doritos, a blend of cheddar.
Cheetos represent a completely different approach. The process begins by removing the germ from corn kernels and grinding into enriched cornmeal.
Keep an eye on the feed rate, it's thickening. Pressure is steady, we are good to continue.
When the pressurized mixture exits the extruder, the sudden pressure drop causes moisture to flash into steam.
Still warm Cheetos tumble through drums filled with cheese powder, that bright orange coating we all know. The tumbling ensures every surface gets evenly coated.
The throughput is exceeding target by 5%. Looks good. Keep the line running steady.
The bags are filled with nitrogen gas before sealing. This displaces oxygen, which prevents chips from going stale and keeps...
Finished bags are organized into shipping boxes, ready for Frito-Lay's pioneering direct store delivery system.
Frito-Lay operates the largest direct store delivery system in North America, with nearly 15,000 routes, making over 5...
Drivers deliver fresh products directly to approximately 315,000 retail locations. The company operates one...
Drivers stock the shelves themselves and remove any products nearing expiration. This system ensures the chips on your store shelf are as fresh as possible.
From carefully selected raw ingredients to precision manufacturing and innovative distribution, Frito-Lay has perfected the art and science of snack making.